Hello guys, this video would actually be a gist of how I make my videos. So if you are interested, especially if you're a YouTuber or you are considering owning your own YouTube channel in some days, some week or some years time, for those who have been procrastinating since forever, this is for you. I'm just basically going to gist you of how my production goes, not everything, so I don't bore you or waste your time. And the first thing was that my laptop was making too much of a noise. Luckily, I'm using an Alienware, a modern one, so I can control my fan sound. So I had to control my fan sound to go quiet. That was the first challenge I observed in this particular video. So what I'll be doing now is anytime I want to create a video, I experience different challenges and then I get over it in different ways, in spite of the fact that I'm shooting in the same space, because I'm always creative around, okay, I want to change. It's not like substantial change, but then I want to change the position of my desk. I want to change the position of my lights. I want to experiment with a better depth of field and all those kind of things. Or things like I just changed my lens to a 50mm lens from the kit lens I was using. So I think my last two videos or thereabout have been shot on the 50mm lens, and the difference between the 50mm lens and the kit lens is actually like night and day. So if you are considering getting a camera, please do and have in mind or have a budget also for lenses, because having a good lens is most times more important than having a good camera. I'm not saying you should have a trashy camera. So if your camera is average and your lens is great, you would produce better quality. But if your camera is great and your lens is trashy, you won't produce a good quality. So that's what I'm just trying to communicate.